Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 17. In the previous few lessons we were teaching you all about popular Forex technical indicators. Today we are going to be explaining to you how the Relative Strength Index, or more commonly known RSI, works for identifying trading opportunities. Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. We really appreciate your support. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below. We always read your comments. If you are looking for a highly profitable trading system, you should head over to our website, smartforextrading.com. Over 90,000 traders use the Smart Forex Trading system. If you are struggling in your trading, you should start using the Smart Forex Trading system. Remember, once you have a profitable system, trading becomes easy. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. It really helps the channel to grow. Before we jump into the lesson, a quick disclaimer. Smart Forex Trading offer educational videos to help and educate Forex traders. Information on this channel is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. We must advise you Forex trading carries a high level of risk, and you should be aware of the risks before trading in Forex. Welcome to our guide to the Relative Strength Index. This is a really popular indicator and almost every trader has used the RSI at some time in their trading career. RSI indicators help to identify the strength of the market. It is an oscillator indicator. RSI is an excellent indicator to have as part of your trading system. Let me give you a full explanation. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a popular indicator developed by a technical analyst named J. Wells Wilder that helps traders evaluate the strength of the current market. RSI is an oscillator and works similar stochastic in that it identifies overbought and oversold conditions in the market. It is scaled from 0 to 100. Typically, readings of 30 or lower indicate oversold market conditions and an increase in the possibility of price strengthening or the market going up. Some traders interpret that an oversold currency pair is an indication that the falling trend is likely to reverse, which means it's an opportunity to buy. Readings of 70 or higher indicate overbought conditions and an increase in the possibility of price weakening, going down. Some traders interpret that an overbought currency pair is an indication that the rising trend is likely to reverse, which means it's an opportunity to sell. Whilst 30 and 70 are the most common settings, you can also use higher settings of 20 or 80. We prefer 20 and 80 as these higher settings give more confirmed signals. In addition to the overbought and oversold indicators mentioned above, traders who use the Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicator also look for centerline crossovers. The centerline is obviously the 50 value. You can set a line in the settings to show the centerline. A movement from below the centerline to above indicates a rising trend. A rising centerline crossover occurs when the RSI value crosses above the 50 line on the scale, moving towards the 70 line. This indicates the market trend is increasing in strength, and is seen as a bullish signal until the RSI approaches the 70 line. A movement from above the center line to below indicates a falling trend. A falling center line crossover occurs when the RSI value crosses below the 50 line on the scale, moving towards the 30 line. This indicates the market trend is weakening in strength, and is seen as a bearish signal until the RSI approaches the 30 line. How to confirm trends using the Relative Strength Index. RSI is a very popular tool because it can also be used to confirm trend formations. If you think a trend is forming, take a quick look at the RSI and look at whether it is above or below 50. If you are looking at a possible uptrend, then make sure the RSI is above 50. If you are looking at a possible downtrend, then make sure the RSI is below 50. The RSI is definitely a tool you want in your trading toolbox. We look forward to meeting you in the next lesson, and quickly, if you have not yet subscribed, help us out, just hit the subscribe button now. We really appreciate your support. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. We do read all your comments. And just a final reminder, if you have not yet checked out our website, head over there now and you will find one of the most profitable trading systems used by over 90,000 traders. Check it out now on smartforextrading.com. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next lesson. Help the channel to grow. Like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications. We hope you enjoyed the lesson, and we will see you on the next one. When you are ready to start trading, you will need a trading system. Smart Forex Trading have developed an easy-to-use and highly profitable trading system which we will share with you now.
If you're struggling to make money in Forex, you need to try this amazing trading system. I want to share with you today a highly profitable trading system used by banks, institutes, and over 90,000 traders. The SMART system tells you exactly when to buy and to sell. It's easy to follow and it takes all the stress and worry out of trading. In fact, this is the only trading system you'll ever need. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you need to try the SMART system from smartforextrading.com. Head over to smartforextrading.com to check out the SMART system now.